Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making Fiddlehead Risotto. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below, and check my other channel, I game over there. To start this recipe, you're going to want to grab either 12 ounces of fresh Fiddlehead ferns or a pound of medium asparagus. I use asparagus because Fiddlehead ferns are mildly poisonous, and I didn't feel like accidentally poisoning my family that night, so, you know. If you're using Fiddlehead ferns, you're going to remove any of the paper bits, and if you're using asparagus, you're going to cut the wooded ends off and then cut them into 1 or 1.5 inch pieces. Next, you're going to grab one large shallot and finely dice it. That sounds like an oxymoron to me, but did my best. Next, you're going to grab 4 cloves of garlic and mince them. I put them in the garlic press, and then after realized that they probably asked you to mince them so it keeps a little bit more form, but oh well. Next, you're gonna coarsely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh flat leaf parsley. You're also going to grate a tablespoon of lemon zest. And finally, grate half a cup of pecorino cheese. Plus more for serving. Now that you're done prepping, you're going to fill a medium pot up with water, and then bring it to a boil and generously salt it. Once the water is boiling, you're going to add your asparagus or your Fiddlehead ferns. With asparagus, you're going to boil them for 30 seconds. With Fiddlehead ferns, you're going to boil them for 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're done, you're going to transfer them to an ice bath, stir until cool, and then transfer to a paper towel lined plate. Right before you start this next step, you're going to want to bring 6 cups of vegetable stock to a boil, and then you're going to keep it on low to keep warm. Now, in a large high-sided skillet over medium heat, you're going to warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you're going to add your shallot, and you're going to mix it until softened, about 6 to 8 minutes, though it took mine like 4 minutes. Then you're going to add your garlic to the saucepan, and it says cook until softened for about 2 minutes, but mine took about like 30 seconds. And then you want to add 2 cups of arborio rice, and you're going to put that on and toast it until it starts to smell nutty, 3 to 5 minutes. Next, you're going to pour in 3/4 cups of dry white wine, and you're going to stir that until it all gets absorbed, about 2 minutes. Almost done with the risotto, we're going to add a cup of your warmed stock, and you're going to stir that until it's absorbed, about 3 to 4 minutes. And then you're going to do that with another cup of stock, same thing, and then you're going to do that with half a cup of stock until your rice is tender. It says about 25 minutes. Mine only took about like 20 minutes. Almost like 15-20 minutes. Once your rice is tender, you're going to add that half cup of pecorino cheese, And then you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now in a cast iron pan, you're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the other tablespoon of butter. Then you're going to add in your asparagus / fiddlehead ferns. And then for the asparagus, you're going to saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. And for the ferns, you're going to saute them for 3 to 4 minutes. Just until they're tender and hot through. And once you've done that, you're ready to serve. Correction, almost ready to serve. You're going to add the parsley and the lemon zest and mix it together. Almost forgot. And to serve, you're just going to place a scoop or a couple scoops of risotto, top it with the asparagus and some cheese, and some fresh chervil leaves. I don't know what those are. I just used parsley. This was pretty good. To be fair, it's risotto. I feel like I say that like with all the recipes, but risotto is just good. I just really like risotto. I would give it. Well, actually, the asparagus is very nicely cooked. I liked it, and I like the little the lemon zest in the asparagus had a nice little flavor. The cheese was very good, and the risotto was nice and creamy. I would give it an 8.5 out of 10.